What's going on, y'all? Your boy King J back in this thing, man. I know it's been a minute since I posted. I still got the bike, just had a lot of stuff going on. I moved from Georgia to Alabama. When I got out here, I didn't have Wi-Fi for the longest. And then I swapped jobs. I work for Safe Haven, ADT now. And then I ended up getting broke, you know what I'm saying? I spent all my money because, you know, when you transferring over to like different jobs or whatever, you got to do that 2 weeks in a hole, so I was broke. So I thought I was gonna have to sell the bike. And then I just ain't had time to ride it like I used to. I was gonna post a video of me riding from Georgia to Alabama, but the video footage so long, I don't even feel like going through all that. And I was doing a lot of talking, and the wind was so strong that you can't even hear me talking. So I was like, just a waste of time. But still got the bike. Still looking nice, you know what I'm saying? It's crazy how dirty it is since I got to Alabama. Like, every time I ride, I just go through like millions of bugs. Like, it's all over my jacket, all over my helmet. It's crazy. I didn't have this problem in Georgia, but when I got back down here, boy, it's crazy. But anyway, I think it's about time for an oil change. Got almost 1,600 miles on here. Still haven't taken any classes. Still self-taught. I'm gonna keep it that way. I don't want to take no classes. So anytime I learn something, I want to be like strictly from me and nobody helping me do it. I'm gonna go get an oil change. I'm gonna record that and post it so y'all can see that your boy be killing it out here. I be opening this thing. I be opening this thing up on that throttle, bro. Like, for real. I think my top speed was like 130, but I didn't have the GoPro on, so I didn't get that. But anyways, man, I appreciate all the support in the comments. You know what I'm saying? You ain't got to tell me how to ride no more, man. I'm good. I ain't scared no more, man. I'll be on this thing. Still haven't failed yet. I had a dream I fell off for some reason, but I haven't even came close to falling off. So my joint's still looking brand new. But yeah, got my Wi-Fi back up. Started back posting, man. I've been lacking, bro. I've been streaming on Twitch and stuff, man, because I went so long without playing the game. Shoot, I just wanted to stream, to be honest with you. But I seen y'all was still coming in the comments, commenting, watching the videos, you know what I'm saying, liking the videos. So I was like, man, let me get back on it, man. Let me stop being so dang on lazy. Editing videos, it takes so freaking long. I don't know how to do it so much, especially the super long videos. I want another one. I want this quad lock, because this right here trash. They be spinning around and stuff when I'm riding. I hate that thing. And it's so high up, you can't even like get down, because this freaking thing be all up on your face, especially with the GoPro. And this, I mean, my head be like way up here. But anyways, yeah, man, I've just been a little lazy with the videos. But I'm about to get back on it. Start making videos for you guys, because there's a lot of y'all looking forward to seeing. Trying to save up a little money, because, you know, I just moved to the new house I'm in right now. Kind of, you know, lost a lot of money during that process, but it's all good though, man. Once I start saving up with this, I'm gonna get that windshield like I've been talking about, get that exhaust on here like I was talking about. Just an old ugly thing. I was thinking about just taking that thing off and just running the little straight pipe, but that joint was ugly. I don't know how that worked. But anyway, man, let me go ahead and post this video. Show y'all me riding real quick. See y'all on the next one, man. Deuces. Probably just messed up a little bit, but it's all good. Working for this security system company, I deal with a lot of wires, so I figured I can cut the wire on my mic and reattach it to make the cord short. But the wiring inside was so thin that I couldn't do anything with it. So I messed that up. So right now I don't have a mic anymore. So It's all good.